Now, the smallest on the other hand are called little blue. They stand around 36 centimeters. And here with us is the third largest and the second largest type or species of penguin. Okay, so let's talk about the penguin which is with my colleague Dondi. This is a Gen 2. Okay, I want you to remember that Gen 2 penguin are the third largest type of penguin in the world. They are naturally fast, active, okay, naughty, and you know, sometimes they can be stubborn as well. So it's like I'm describing a little 4-year-old kid, right? Yes. They are comparable to 3-4-year-old kids. They can also be very smart. And you know what? These penguins are known to be the fastest swimming birds in the world. They can swim as fast as a dolphin, which is 36 to 40 kilometers an hour. Okay, so I will pause for a while